Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready for the dictation. Case of the state as one finds from the writ court record was that since the terms and conditions of NIT were not in consonance with SBD guidelines. Therefore, a direction was given to the chief engineer to issue correspondence by making the terms and conditions in consonance with the terms and conditions laid down by SBD, but the same was never done, as a result of which only one bidder within bracket Soma was found to be responsive. Therefore, decision was taken in terms of clause 4.18 within bracket D to go for rebidding for the purposes of making the bid more competitive. Stop para. Learned writ court, while discussing clause 4.2, clause 4.17 and clause 4.18 of CVC guidelines, ultimately held that the decision of cancelling present tender in which SOMA was found to be responsive and going for rebidding on account of the fact that the conditions of NIT were stringent and good number in nature, and also against the public interest, as on account of the revision of schedule rates of the articles the estimate amount would go higher. Stop. It is further held by learned writ court that it never appeared that the members of the tender committee had taken the decision for cancellation and rebidding on account of clauses being stringent. Rather, it was on account of the fact that out of three participants, only SOMA was found to be responsive, whereas the other participants were not found to be non responsive. Stop para. Hence, the instant letters patent appeal by state. Stop. We have heard learned additional advocate general appearing for the state along with learned senior advocate assisted by advocates for SOMA. Stop. We have also gone through the writ court records for appreciating the entire issue in its right perspective. Stop para. Learned additional advocate general submitted that every tender above the work amounting to more than 250 lakhs is published by a department in accordance with the SBD, which needs approval from the cabinet, and if there is any violation in the general conditions of the tender from SBD, it is done only after seeing viability of inserting that clause whether or not the same is restrictive and stringent in nature. Stop. Learned State Council submitted that it was found in a pre-bid meeting held on 24/3/2014 that there were various departures in the clauses of tender documents from the clauses of SBD which were never approved by the department, and the same was informed to the chief engineer complex wide letter dated 26/3/2014 with a request to issue necessary and appropriate correspondence so that the departures could be met with and the tender published turns out to be in accordance with SBD. Stop. He submitted that since it was not done, which reduced the number of participants to only three, in which SOMA happened to be responsive, and two others non-responsive. Therefore, decision to retender was taken by the tender committee in consonance with clause 4.18 within bracket D of the CVC guidelines so that more participants could join in the tender bidding to make it more healthy and not for a particular tenderer. Stop.